Governor Josh Stein comes to Woodfin to announce millions of dollars in new funding for flood mitigation projects.
It's all part of a statewide effort to reduce future flood damage and protect communities across western North Carolina. News 13's Elijah Skipper was at today's event.
And Elijah, how is this supposed to change the way communities prepare for the next storm?
This is really about shifting from reaction to prevention. We're here at Woodfin's Riverside Park, one of the 8 locations that's going to be receiving this funding from the state's flood resiliency blueprint. Now, Governor Josh Stein said that these dollars are meant to help communities like this one build back better. More than 500 days after Helene flooded this riverfront, it's still clear Woodfin is rebuilding.
It has been a long year and a half. It's been a long, cold winter.
At Woodfin Riverside Park, what was once a flood-damaged riverbank is slowly becoming a park designed to withstand future storms. But getting here has meant juggling contractor shortages, rising costs, and mountains of paperwork.
What people don't understand is, in the last year and a half, it's hard to find a qualified contractor to give you a bid that matches the state bid requirements.
At the same time, Woodfin is still waiting on federal reimbursements.
We're having to take the taxpayers' savings accounts to save for a rainy day and spend it. Yeah, we feel confident they'll pay us, but what if they don't?
That uncertainty made Monday's announcement especially meaningful. Governor Josh Stein unveiled $5.7 million in flood resiliency blueprint grants through the North Carolina Department of Environmental Quality, with $284,000 heading to Woodfin.
26,000 cubic yards of construction debris alone coming out of here is fantastic.
Before announcing that funding, Stein walked the riverbanks himself.
I read about the project, I read about the grant application. They were words on a page. One really needs to get out and see what is happening on the ground. And I'm a big fan of Woodfin. They got great vision.
That vision will create smarter floodwater storage, restore floodplains, and move infrastructure out of harm's way so future storms don't hit as hard.
I am grateful for every single dollar that we get from our federal partners, but it's imperative that they step up and help the people of Western North Carolina the way that we deserve for them to do so.
State leaders say that the flood resiliency blueprint has now funded 81 projects totaling $40 million statewide. They're expecting more projects to be brought to the table. In Woodfin, Elijah Skipper, News 13.